What is the Eastern Rajasthan Canal Project and what is the demand of the ruling government? Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has been strongly demanding national project status for the Eastern Rajasthan Canal Project. Announced during the previous BJP regime in the state, Gehlot's predecessor Vasundhara Raje had also asked for the same. What is the Eastern Rajasthan Canal Project? The Eastern Rajasthan Canal Project aims to harvest surplus water available during the rainy season in the rivers in southern Rajasthan such as Chambal and its tributary including Kunnu, Paravati, Kalisindhi, and use this water in southeastern districts of the state where there is a scarcity of water of drinking and irrigation. According to the State Water Resource Department, Rajasthan is the largest state of India with a geographical area of 342.52 lakh hectares, which amount to 10.4% of the entire country, holds only 1.6% of India's surface water and 1.72% of groundwater. Among the state's water bodies, only the Chambal River Basin has surplus water, but this water cannot be tapped directly because the area around the Kota Barrage is designated as a crocodile sanctuary. When was the project announced? In the budget 2017-18, the then Vasundhara Raje-led BJP government in Rajasthan had said that the ERCP will help fulfill the long-term irrigation and drinking water needs of 13 districts. Jhalawar, Baran, Kota, Bundi, Savai Madhopur, Ajmer, Tonk, Jaipur, Karoli, Alwar, Bharatpur, Dausa and Dholpur. What will be the benefits estimated in the project? According to the Rajasthan Water Resource Department, ERCP is estimated to create an additional command area of 2 lakh hectares and an area of 4.31 lakh hectare will get irrigation facilities because of this project. The ERCP also intends to improve the groundwater table in rural area of the state, positively influencing the socio-economic conditions of people from these areas. It also adds a special emphasis on the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, hoping that sustainable water sources will enhance and help industries' growth in these areas, resulting in investment and revenue. There are multiple sub-projects under the ERCP with budget allocated for each phase. What is the present demand by the Ashok Gehlot government? Ever since the Congress government came into power in December 2018, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has repeatedly urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to declare the ERCP as a national project. Gehlot has written letters in this regard to Modi and also highlighted this during the Prime Minister's interaction with Chief Ministers in Niti Aayog meetings. Gehlot has also said that Prime Minister Modi has said that the project will be declared as a national project during his earlier visits to Rajasthan. The reason cited by the Chief Minister for wanting the ERCP to be national project is that its estimated cost is around 40,000 crore, which he said it is not possible to be borne by the state government. Gehlot has argued that the central government should provide assistance in the interest of the welfare of the state. What is the present status of the project? According to the officials from the State Water Resource Department, the work on the project under the ERCP in Kota district has started, the value of which is just a small fraction of the total cost of the project. The project was initially proposed to be completed in 3 phases between 2017 and 2023.